Hello there, I'm Robbie from The Faith Experiment, and this month we're looking at really practical ways to experiment with faith. In life, we face difficulties all the time. And although Jesus has promised He can transform our lives into superior lives in quantity and quality, the reality is we still live in a fractured world, a broken creation. But this new life that we are given lives differently even in this broken world. And as we face each and every one of these circumstances, this life deals differently. So today's experiment is based on a passage from 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 12, which says, "Beloved, do not think it strange concerning the fiery trials which is to try you, as though some strange thing has happened to you." This text teaches that fiery trials are no strange thing or unique thing that only you have to face. This passage says that these are to try you. Now, other translations say to test your quality. Now, although we naturally don't like trouble, our instinct is to often run from it, we need to remember that we're not living our natural lives anymore in this experiment. We're experimenting with a life that Jesus claims He has given, which makes it supernatural. And so the test here is not how well you deal with the trial, but how much you believe in the supernatural life you have been given and how it deals with the trial. So today's experiment is, don't fall into the trap of complaining, murmuring, of blaming when things don't seem to be going your way. Instead, choose to be thankful, to be positive and grateful, and try this. Thank God while you're in the valley for the mountaintop that He's leading you to. So let me know how you go today. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and get them involved in the faith experiment as well. And I'll see you in the next experiment.